Do you want to become a certified performance manager and advance your career? At the Performance Institute, we offer a full suite of certified government performance manager training programs that will allow you to determine your future as a government performance manager. The first level of the CGPM training includes a full-week program that encompasses strategic planning, logic model, and developing performance measures with a total of 40 CPE credits. Once you complete these courses, you will take a 50-question test, and upon successful completion, you will be awarded your Government Performance Manager Associate certification. The next level of certification is the professional level. This level requires the Government Performance Manager Associate level certification, plus a full-week program that encompasses data analytics, benchmarking, and performance-based budgeting with a total of 40 CPE credits. Once you complete these courses, you will take the professional levels test, and upon successful completion, you will be awarded your Government Performance Manager Professional certification. Our advanced level certification builds upon your professional level certification and 2 new courses: Advanced Performance Management and Program Evaluation and Evidence-Based Analysis. In addition to these 2 courses, you are required to complete a capstone project in which you will put into practice everything you learned during the performance management training and explain how it will be used within your organization. As you embark on your capstone project, you will be assigned a mentor for one of the Performance Institute Fellows who will work with you and guide you throughout the process. Upon completion of your project, a team of Performance Institute Fellows will review and grade your project. Once your capstone project is approved, you will be awarded your Government Performance Manager Advanced certification. What are you waiting for? Start your CGPM training now.